Good morning, Eagles. Welcome to the Eagles Nest News Morning Show. I am Miss Jenkins, the very, very proud principal of South Columbus Elementary School.
And I am Miss Griffin, the very, very blessed assistant principal of South Columbus Elementary School.
And today is Tuesday, September 7th, 2021. Welcome to the show.
Welcome to a beautiful, beautiful morning.
It is very nice out. This weekend was very, very nice.
Yes, I hope everyone had a great weekend. The weather was nice, long weekend. Everyone's rested.
Yes.
We'll have a short week.
Hopefully.
High is going to be in the 91. I don't think it's going to even feel like that, though.
But I hope it doesn't.
I don't think so. It feels great right now, 73 degrees.
Oh, yeah.
And tomorrow we're going to have some thunderstorms. I think tomorrow and the next day we're going to have some showers. But it's still going to be a pretty day.
And I think that probably will drop the temperatures, I bet.
Yeah.
Well, for this Taco Tuesday, we're having a little change up with Miss Bigelow and the crew. They are making Fiesta Pizza, chili lime corn, fruit milk. Teachers, as always, please get your lunch counts in by 9 a.m. so that they can prepare adequately. And please support our school nutrition program by buying the extra snacks and be sure to eat them only after you've finished your nutritious lunch prepared by Miss Bigelow. She says, thanks and have a cheerful day. I like that.
Yes.
So, wait a minute. We need to talk about what the theme is for today. It is the Tuesday Tea. The Tuesday Tea, where we recognize all of our celebrations, acknowledgments, and fantastic things that are going on here in the academic world of South Columbus Elementary School. What do we have?
Well, we have our Lexia class of the week.
Dun, 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 dun.
Is once again Ms. Dahlman, second grade, representing the lower grades, pre-K through second.
I love it.
And representing the upper grades, third grade through fifth, once again, fifth grade reigns.
Go ahead.
And that's Miss Holly, Miss Bird, and Miss Blassingame, our fifth grade team. And then we've got our AR grade level of the week, representing the lower grades, again, Miss Dahlman, or not Miss Dahlman, but second grade, because this is the grade level of the week. So that's second grade, Miss Bush, Miss Dahlman, and Miss Johnson.
Way to go.
And then for the upper grades, the AR grade level of the week, we have a tie with fourth and fifth grade.
Okay, fourth grade stepping it up. I like it.
Fourth grade teachers, Miss Brown, Miss Davis, Miss Proto, and our fifth grade teachers, Miss Adams, Miss Blassingame, Miss Holly, Miss Bird, and Miss Adams. She also supports fourth grade.
Correct.
And what do we have for IXL?
So our IXL lower grades class of the week is Miss Thornton. She took the lead from Miss Washington from last week. And our upper grades class of the week is Zarita and Adams. Way to knock it out, ladies. So congratulations to y'all. And the big thing is that we have the top IXL performers in each grade level. So congratulations goes to the pre-K top IXL performer, Dayani Velasquez. In kindergarten, Amari Clark. First grade, Thomas Autry. Oh, I can't move. Second grade, LaCoriana Walton. Third grade, Amari Wilcher. Fourth grade, Jaden Warner. Fifth grade, Kayla Hankerson. Congratulations to all of our top performers, and keep it up. We'll do it again next week, and hopefully you'll see your name or hear your name called.
Because I think those were some of those, if not all of them, were the names from the previous week.
From the previous week, and also last year. So those kids...
They are truly top performers.
Yes. So any other announcements for this week?
Well, a reminder, today is Ice Cream Day. It was supposed to be Friday of last week, but the ice cream truck had some difficulties getting here because they're coming from LaGrange.
Okay.
And, you know, they had some repairs to do with the truck.
Sure.
But I've been in conversation with them throughout the weekend, so we're all set for today.
Just know I've been watching YouTube, and I watch these videos of people who just repair cars, and I'm feeling pretty good about carburetor repair right now.
Okay.
So if they need some help, all they have to do is ask.
I think they just needed a battery.
Okay. But just FYI. And I don't even know if cars have carburetors anymore. I don't know. Progress reports too this week. I think they go out tomorrow. And parents, remember that progress reports, I can't say that 3 times fast, are on Parent Portal. So we will not be giving out paper copies of report cards or progress reports, but please make sure that you have an active login and password so that you can access the grades, and they are live. So real-time grades, as teachers put them in, you can check them any day. You don't have to wait until progress report time to check those, and it helps you to be able to keep the communication open with parents and see what your kids are doing. So FYI, that's the tip of the day.
Yes. That's the best thing, because I stay on my child's grade book in
back
Infinite
off.
Campus.
Back off.
Stay on it.
Back off.
Also, it is National Substitute Appreciation Week.
Yes.
And we want to extend just a thank you to all of our substitutes. We have various people who come in and out, and we have long-term subs, teachers who choose to continue to come back, and if we have a teacher that's going to be out for a long period of time, they'll pick up a long-term sub job. So we really appreciate each and every one of you.
Yes, we're
Thank you
blessed
so
that we
much.
always get good subs here. So thank y'all, substitutes. It's your week. Another thing, our live streamed South Columbus Elementary School open house is today. So please be on the lookout for that. As soon as that link is available from JP, we will send it out. We'll put it on our Facebook page, our Twitter page. We'll send it by email and by text. But we have done a lot. JP has been the best producer, director. The teachers have really gone like above and beyond to really make this experience valuable for parents to see what's going on in our classrooms. So we cannot wait to show it to you. So please stay tuned for that, and make sure that you click like and subscribe to our channel. You know how you do. Thank you. Do we have anything else?
That's about it.
Okay, y'all, please stay safe out there, and remember,
wear your mask, wash your hands, and watch your distance.
And as always, we soar at South Columbus, where I am safe, I am organized, I'm accountable, and I'm respectful. Have a great, terrific Tuesday. We will see you tomorrow, and it'll be Witty Wednesday. Can't wait for the jokes. See you later.
Bye-bye.